Very good afternoon to the honorable juries and respected dignitaries present over here, and my dear brothers and sisters. Myself, Kali Charan, MBSc scholar in the Livestock Production Management Department of College of Veterinary and Sciences, Palpaga, and I am going with the motion that global warming is an integral part of evolution. According to the Paul Polman, it is being told that always the climate change is not the weather change. Many times, climate change results in the change in the lifestyle of the people as well. You can say that a 3 degrees Celsius rise in the global temperature is not going to create a massive difference in the society. In previous 150 years, there is 0.8 degrees Celsius changes in the temperature, global temperature, and according to the International Convention on Climate Change, it is being told that till 2080 we are in the safe zone. After 2080, we will see some sort of the consequences of the global warming. The massive migration that is happening because of the global warming, we can see that as the polar ice caps are melting, because of which the urban population that is living in the coastal areas, these urban populations are shifting to the reliable areas, and together with it, those populations that are living in the arid areas that have been generated a drought because of the global warming, they are shifting to the reliable areas. And everybody knows that the whole of a phenotypic variation is a combination of genetic and environmental variation. So a massive variation is happening when they are shifting over there, because of which the blending of the gene pool is seen. We can also see that eumelanin is a pigment that is responsible for the darkness of the skin color. And when the global warming increases, it results into bone deformities. And when the global warming decreases, it results into cancer and the birth defect. So certain defects in the genetic evolution is happening over there. No matter whether they are the negative evolution, but they are the factors of the evolution over there. I want to take into notice that there are certain salmons in the squirrels in the reproductive phase is gradually decreasing. Together with this, we can see that the small species are evolving day by day and the larger species are going to be extinct because the generation interval in the smaller species is less. I also want to take this into consideration that various species are happening because of the global warming. One more thing I want to take that 0.03 to 0.04% increase in the carbon dioxide emission is results in the greenery across the environment. Because the post-drought flowering is increases because of the global warming in comparison to the pre-drought flowering. The polar ice caps, the polar bears are having an evolution of the cannibalism. The cannibalism is developing within them, whether it is an adaptive evolution, but it is an evolution within itself. I want to take into the notice that changing from the coal towards the wood product, it is not going to create a massive difference in the carbon dioxide emission. Otherwise, it is being seen that there are millions of deaths because of the winter death, and global warming is protecting the environment from winter death also. There is Kyoto Protocol of 1997, Montreal Protocol of 1987, Kigali Amendment, and recent Paris Agreement that happened in 2015. And they are working to manage the negative impact of the global warming. But even after that, we say 75% of the electricity that is generated in this global environment is because of the coal and the petroleum products. Together with this, we see that 95.6% of the vehicles that are revolving across this globe, these all vehicles are running on the petrol and diesel. So global warming and the evolution are going on side by side. We cannot say that global warming is not affecting the evolution. Definitely, it may be a positive evolution or maybe a negative evolution on the side. But it is an integral part of the evolution that is happening. Thank you very much for patiently listening. Have a nice day.